I forgot to say I have to find a really tall plant. So once more. Ah, this is very good. The other thing it has, and is very, very interesting, is I've forgotten. Perfect. It was just a very... So close. Close. Other devices that we have. Sorry. It beeped. So far I am doing this a lot. Should be... Damn it. There are groove bearings that... Come on. You can actually machine these really, really, really well. Let's start again. Thread and... What's it called? Thread and die? Generally, traditionally... this means that there is a bit of... Odins, and they keep this to make the... Similar using PLA for high strength materials. Materials. Applications. See that they join up together to form the... Why can I not remember this? Crap, I've forgotten what it's called. Where are you, Mr. Square Nut? You need a... Oh wait, actually, this is the primary camera, yeah? Yeah. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the Ender Z. Videos with lots of cool tips. Crap. That worked out okay, right? Anyway, top side. Is that even a word? Top side? Again, please. My point is that these machines are